Silver against US dollar this week risen in value. We can see that after the price formed this bearish candle on a Monday, the price formed another bullish breakout above, where the price continued to rise in value, reaching 32.13. Then the price on a Thursday formed this indecision candle. Friday was a trigger day where we can see the price formed two bullish breakouts. First one above 32.13 and the next one was above 33.15. Where the price has stopped adjusting between this strong resistance and this currently acting as a support. Weekly is a bullish, we can see that. After strong bullish movement on a Friday, the price formed this strong bullish candle going above 32.13, forming a bullish breakout, which is a great information for the bulls, and we can see in front of 34.18 as an extra resistance level. Monthly, after the price formed a previous month a bullish breakout, we can see the price return back down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as a support, and currently it is continuing to rise in value, forming a first bullish breakout, and probably there is second bullish breakout potentially, but currently the price is in between, waiting us, and we are waiting for the price to reach this resistance. We have 2 more weeks until this month closes, so everything's still open, but currently what I'm seeing, the price is heading to 34.18. This is the next target, and the weekly time frame is also showing the same information. We can see that 34.18 is the next target for the price to reach that. Especially the daily time frame will show us much more clean information, so we can see that. If I go here and zoom out a little bit, we can see that the price has gone above a pretty strong resistance. We can see that, and this trigger has also pushed the price even further on, where the next target is 34.80. This is the next target for the next week, and we'll see what price does around this area, around this strong resistance level. Now, each day I also share the details with the traders inside the trading community and Telegram group, how the price behaves. So if you would like to join and get a notification each day how the market looks, what are the targets when the price makes a bullish or bearish breakout, feel free to join. What do you think about this bullish breakout? Is it expected that the 34.18 is the next target, or do you think that the price will continue to fall down to 32.13 as support level? You can also leave your comment, so we can discuss a little bit about your expectations, what the price will do next week. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.